All right, children. Now, fifth question. They are saying there is a binary operation. They are talking about again on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by that this operation would be finding HCF of those two numbers. Okay, finding HCF of those two numbers. Then they are saying is the operation same as the operation defined in the above, and then you have to justify your answer. Okay. So yes, the table will come out to be exactly the same. If we are talking about HCF of two numbers, see, same set hai 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also the set was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if this operation is supposed to be HCF, then HCF of 1 and 1 is 1. HCF of 1 with any number is 1 itself. Okay, so see, 1 के साथ हर number का 1 आ रहा है आंसर. Likewise, 1 के साथ किसी भी नंबर का 1 आ रहा है आंसर. Then here HCF of 2 and 2 is 2. HCF of 2 with 3 is 1. Of 2 with 4 is 2. 2 with 5 is 1. You can check from here. 3 with 2 will be 1. 3 with 3 will be 3. 3 with 4 will be 1. 3 with 5 will be 1. Then 4 with 2 will be 2. 4 with 3 will be 1. 4 with 4 is 4. 4 with 1 is 5 is 1. Okay, so आप check कर लो. If you are trying to form the composition table for the operation HCF of these entries, then it will come out to be exactly the same. All right, all of you know how to find HCF. So yes, your answer would be yes, and you would say yes, we are getting the same composition table. Children, did I not discuss question number 4 also with you? I think yes. Okay. Yes, because I had not done that in written. It's again oral out here. So I'll take up question number 4 now first. Consider binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by the following multiplication table. 1.2. Okay. All right. Achha, I had just explained you the composition table. I did not discuss the questions from here, right? Okay, so compute 2 star 3 star 4. Okay, 2 star 3 if you do, so from here you'll see where is 2 and where is 3. So 2 and 3's intersection is 1. So 2 star 3 एंट्री हो जाएगी आपकी 1. फिर 1 का स्टार लोगे 4 के साथ. So 1 का स्टार with 4 will come out to be 1. या यहाँ से देख लो 4 and 1 का will come out to be where is it? 1 star 4 is coming out to be 1 again. Okay, so these things I think you can work out. This is a simple exercise. Okay, is it commutative? So yes, it is commutative. I've already told you here. Okay, that because there is symmetry here, so this operation will be commutative. Then compute 2 star 3, then 4 star 5, and then star this. So पहले आप 2 star 3 करोगे. 2 star 3 is 1. Then you will do 4 star 5. So 4 star 5 is also 1. Then ये भी 1 था, ये भी 1 था, तो आप 1 star 1 करोगे, which is again 1. Okay, so this was a simple question. Anyway, so now we've discussed till 5th one. Now 6th one is also simple, children. Let there be a binary operation on set of natural numbers given as A star B would mean finding LCM of A and B. Okay, then you have to find 5 star 7 means LCM of 5 and 7. All of you know how to find LCM, okay? 35. So that way, I think you can manage this question also on your own. I haven't solved that for you. That is why. Is it commutative? Of course, you know finding LCM of 5 and 7 is same as LCM of 7 and 5. So you would say yes, it is commutative. Okay. Then is it associative? Of course, it is associative as well. 5, 7 and a third number, or maybe आप किसी भी order में numbers को लिखो, आपको पता है कि LCM will come out to be the same. Okay, then you have to find the identity of this operation. So what is identity of LCM? So identity means element जिसका हर element के साथ answer will be the element itself. So that is 1. Okay, if you consider LCM of any number with 1, it will be the number itself. So we would say yes, the identity exists and that identity is 1. Okay, that way it's a simple question. And there is something more. Which element of n are invertible for the operation? तो invertible वो होते हैं जो आपको identity दे देते हैं. Okay, so like if I take 5, then 5 का किस का इन्वर्स क्या होगा कि 5 ऑपरेशन विद दैट इन्वर्स विल गिव यू द आइडेंटिटी. आइडेंटिटी हमारी 1 थी. ओके, तो किस नंबर का इनवर्स? I think only one LCM with 1 will come out to be 1, isn't it? 1 का और किसी भी और नंबर का किसी के भी साथ आप लोगे कुछ ना कुछ और LCM आएगा. तो आइडेंटिटी तो 1 हमें समझ में आती है क्योंकि किसी भी नंबर का आप 1 से LCM लो तो आपको वो नंबर इटसेल्फ मिलेगा. दैट इज व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ आइडेंटिटी. वी शुड गेट द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ओके, देन वो पूछ रहा है कि किस किस एलिमेंट का इनवर्स होगा और क्या इनवर्स होगा. तो 1 का ही इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट करेगा एंड दैट विल बी 1 itself, because 1's LCM with 1 will come out to be 1, which is the identity, no other number. कोई भी और नंबर आएगा तो वो नंबर आंसर बन जाएगा. Getting it? Okay, so obvious से facts हैं, थोड़ा बहुत confusion होता है, but you just need to think, rethink and understand. 7th one क्या कह रहा है कि there is some operation on 1 2 3 4 5 and as LCM of A and B is a binary operation, justify your answer. अच्छा 1 2 3 4 5 इस सेट में, ठीक है. ऊपर एलसीएम की और भी बात होगी थी, बट हियर द रिस्ट्रिक्शन इज ओनली दिस सेट 1 2 3 4 5. तो वो कह रहा है कि इस सेट में फाइंडिंग एलसीएम ऑफ एनी ऑफ द टू नंबर्स इज इट अ बाइनरी ऑपरेशन. सो इफ सपोज आई टेक 2 and 3 as my two elements from this set, so 2 star 3 would mean LCM of 2 and 3. What will be LCM of 2 and 3? 6. या आप किसी और का भी ले लो. ओके, 3 and 4 का ले लेते हो 12 हो जाएगा, 2 and 5 का 10 हो जाएगा. तो ये सारे एलसीएम इस सेट से बाहर आ रहे हैं. दे आर नॉट बिलोंगिंग टू दिस सेट. Okay, so I've written this is not a binary operation. Why? Because LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. This is just one example. आप किसी भी एंट्री को pick up करके दिखा सकते हो that LCM is not belonging to this particular set. So we would say this is not a binary operation for this given set. Okay, simple है ये questions. Now what is the 8th one saying? They are saying the binary operation on natural numbers defined as finding HCF of A and B. So is it commutative? HCF of two numbers, of course it is commutative. Whether you consider HCF of 2 and 5 or maybe 5 and 2 comes to the same. Is it associative? Yes, it is associative also. Okay, in any order you can take HCF of two numbers first, then with the third, or maybe second, third, first with the first. HCF will always come out to be the same of three given fixed numbers. Does there exist identity for this binary operation? जैसे LCM की तो हमें आइडेंटिटी मिल गई थी 1. किसी भी नंबर का 1 के साथ LCM लो तो इट कम्स आउट टू बी द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ओके, HCF में चिल्ड्रन देयर इज नो आइडेंटिटी. ओके, बिकॉज को प्राइम की भी HCF जो आता है वो 1 आता है. इट इज नॉट द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ऑलराइट, सो वी नो ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है कि जिसका कोई भी ऐसा एंट्री नहीं है, कोई भी ऐसा नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है जिसका आप किसी भी नंबर के साथ HCF करो तो नंबर इटसेल्फ आए ऑलवेज, मतलब हर नंबर के साथ. यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, सो इट्स नॉट दैट इफ आई टेक HCF ऑफ हाउ डू आई एक्सप्लेन दिस. Children, what see, identity element would be when we are taking like क्या लूँ, चलो जैसे किसी भी नंबर का, हर एक नंबर का, लाइक 5 with 1, मे बी बच्चे 1 से कंफ्यूज होते हैं यूजुअली. सो इफ यू कंसिडर HCF ऑफ 5 and 1 देन दैट कम्स आउट टू बी 1 नॉट 5. ओके, सो जबकि HCF का डेफिनेशन ये होता है, सॉरी आइडेंटिटी का डेफिनेशन ये होता है दैट व्हेन यू कंसिडर द ऑपरेशन ऑफ E with any and every entry, the answer should be that particular entry. Okay, so I hope you're understanding this. Okay, I don't know how to explain it further. Chalo, maybe we'll discuss that later then. Okay, so that is it. Now which one is left? This was 8th one which I was talking about. Yes, 9th one. Okay, 9th one, children, they have given you a number of operations here, like in question number 2, A star B, and then they are asking you let these be binary operation. तो बता दिया उसने, we need not check it is binary or not. वो कह रहा है कि all these are binary operations, you just need to check whether it is commutative or associative. and also find the identity. चलो वो तो next question में I'm merging these two beta, it comes to the same. Okay, see these operations are all binary operations and you have to check कि in binary operations में कौन commutative है, कौन associative है and किस किस की identity है. Children, another thing you have to remember is identity will only exist for commutative binary operations. Okay, जो बाइनरी ऑपरेशन कम्यूटेटिव नहीं होते हैं उनकी आइडेंटिटी वैसे ही नहीं होती है. ओनली इफ द ऑपरेशन इज कम्यूटेटिव तभी उसका आइडेंटिटी होगा. बिकॉज रिमेंबर द डेफिनेशन, ए स्टार ई इज इक्वल टू ई स्टार ए इज इक्वल टू ए, ऐसा कुछ आया था डेफिनेशन. तो कम्यूटेटिव होना उसका ज़रूरी है. ओके, तो जो कम्यूटेटिव नहीं है उसका तो वैसी आइडेंटिटी के बारे में सोचना ख़त्म. ओके, एनीवेज, सो लेट्स चेक. ये तो आई थिंक हमने पहले ही चेक कर लिया है. दिस इज इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 वी हैव चेक्ड दिस वाज नाइदर कम्यूटेटिव नॉर एसोसिएटिव. दिस ऑपरेशन चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज कम्यूटेटिव. Okay, because these are a and b are rational numbers here. So a square plus b square is exactly same as b square plus a square. We know that for rational numbers. So it is commutative, but this will not be associative. अब आपको मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में करके लिख के दिखा दिया कैसे चेक होना है, तो इसे आप खुद करके देखोगे. Okay, कि it is coming out to be associative or not. It will not. This operation, children, this is neither commutative nor associative because a plus ab and दूसरे में क्या आएगा, b plus ba, तो दोनों इक्वल नहीं है, तो कम्यूटेटिव नहीं है. एसोसिएटिव तो फिर और भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है, आप चेक कर सकते हो. देन नेक्स्ट इज a minus b whole square. Okay, so a minus b whole square is same as b minus a whole square, children, because of square. Okay, तो जो वैल्यू a minus b square की आएगी वही b minus a whole square की आएगी. Because of square, negative का difference will not matter. So this is commutative. Okay, and you can take negative common and because negative का square तो दोनों equivalent आ जाते हैं. So associative ये भी नहीं होगा, आप चाहो तो एक बार लिख के check कर सकते हो. Then this operation here is commutative as well as associative. I think ऐसा भी कोई operation हमारा upon 2 करके था, ये upon 4 करके है, तो वो आया था आपका commutative as well as associative, तो ये भी आएगा. Okay, you can check it. This is commutative as well as associative. Last operation clearly a b square and वो आएगा b a square, तो commutative नहीं है and associative तो फिर और दूर की बात है. Okay, so only your second, fourth and fifth are commutative and associative सिर्फ fifth वाला आ रहा है इसमें. नेक्स्ट वॉज आइडेंटिटी चेक करना. तो जो कम्यूटेटिव नहीं थे उनकी तो आइडेंटिटी वैसे ही नहीं होगी, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू. सो वी कैन ओनली डाउट दैट दीज 3 माइट हैव आइडेंटिटी, तो इनकी आइडेंटिटी आप चेक कर लो. ओके, लाइक 10th part I am taking only where the identity has to be checked. Okay, commutative, associative, by now you all have become masters, you can find it yourself. Okay, so that is here. This was your operation that a square plus b square. अगर b आइडेंटिटी होती तो ये आंसर a आना चाहिए. That's the definition of identity, that a star b gives you a. Then we say कि ये जो second entry थी, element था, ये identity थी. That's the definition for identity. Okay, so a star b क्या था आपका, a square plus b square should be equal to a. Now there is no rational number out here, children, no value of b which can make this true for rational numbers. Okay, can you think of any rational number जिसके लिए a square plus something would give you a? Not possible. There is no entry out here which will make this expression a square plus b square equal to a. So we will say identity does not exist. Okay. Likewise for the next one, maybe square है आपका, a minus b square is equal to a. Even this is not possible for any and at all value of b, that your this square will be equal to a. Okay, then next operation was ab upon 4. So ab upon 4 equals to a. This is giving you a solution. Your a and a is getting cancelled and you're getting b as 4. ये solvable ही नहीं थे ऊपर वाले दो. Okay, so that means only the fifth one is having identity element and that identity is 4. The value of the identity is 4. आप किसी भी element का 4 के साथ ये operation लगाओगे तो you will get that element. Okay, that is how it is. Then comes your 11th one. A is a set Cartesian product of natural number with natural number, and yes, this is also simple, children, but अभी तक आपको single entry चल रही थी, अभी यहाँ पे ordered pair आ गया है. Okay, so a comma b with c comma d gives you, so this would be your first entry a, this would be in place of second entry b. Okay, इसमें 4 entries नहीं है, there are 2 entries only. This whole is your first entry, this whole is your second entry. So it is, the operation is defined as adding x with x and y with y. Okay, so we need to check that let this be binary operation. तो binary operation है तो उसने बता ही दिया हमें, so we need not check whether it is binary or not, and we just need to check that we have to show that this is commutative as well as associative, and then we have to find the identity if any. So we have to check identity है या नहीं है and क्या है. Okay, so here we have so when we are doing a comma b star c comma d, then that is given as a plus c comma b plus d, which is because a b c d out here are natural numbers. Remember, this operation was closed in natural numbers. So if a b c d are natural numbers, we know for natural numbers a plus c is same as c plus a and b plus d is same as d plus b. So we can interchange their position, and interchange कर देते हो तो आपका first order pair आ गया c comma d, and star with second order pair आ गया a comma b. So this is commutative. We had to show this is commutative. That is how we can show that. Okay, then associative भी दिखाना था, तो for associative we'll pick up 3 entries, a comma b star c comma d is second entry, then third entry will be e comma f. तो पहले इसमें लगाओगे a plus c comma b plus d, then star फिर लगाओगे तो this whole first entry plus the first entry here, so it will become a plus c plus e, then b plus d plus f. Okay, now सेकेंड साइड इसको छोड़ के पहले इधर लगाते हैं, तो ये आएगा दिस प्लस दिस, ई सी प्लस ई पहले आ जाएगा, कॉमा डी प्लस एफ. फिर इसके साथ लगाओगे तो ए प्लस दिस होल, सो ए प्लस सी प्लस ई, देन बी प्लस दिस होल, सो द टू आर कमिंग एग्जैक्टली द सेम. So this is associative. We've shown this is commutative as well as associative. Now we have to check whether identity is existing or not. तो identity के लिए क्या होता है? We should get back the first entry. Okay. So if your a plus ये operation लग गया आपका यहाँ पे, ये था a comma b is your first entry, star with c comma d should give you a comma b only. That is how identity is defined. Okay, कि हमें ये फर्स्ट एंट्री ही मिल जानी चाहिए, देन दिस इज सेट टू बी इट्स आइडेंटिटी. ओके, सो ऑपरेशन था a प्लस सी कॉमा b प्लस डी विल बी इक्वल टू a कॉमा b. सो बाय इक्विवेलेंस ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर योर a प्लस c इज इक्वल टू a and b plus d is equal to b. So a and a cancels to give you c0 and d also 0. But it was closed in सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स, तो हमारा आइडेंटिटी के लिए जो एंट्री आ रही है वो 0 0 आ रही है, विच इज़ नॉट अ नेचुरल नंबर. तो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स वी वुड से द आइडेंटिटी डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. अगर उसने यही पूरा क्वेश्चन हमें होल नंबर्स में दिया होता तो हमारे पास आइडेंटिटी होती है, एंड वी वुड से द आइडेंटिटी इज 0,0. बट हमें नेचुरल नंबर्स मेंशन किए गए थे, तो यू वुड से दिस हैज़ नो आइडेंटिटी बिकॉज देयर इज नो नेचुरल नंबर विच इज मेकिंग a प्लस सी कॉमा b प्लस d इक्वल टू a कॉमा b. Get it? Okay, that is how it is. And then 12th question, and 2 are more left. Let's take that also. State whether the following statements are true or false, and then you have to justify. For an arbitrary binary operation on set of natural numbers, a star a should be equal to a whenever a is a natural number. Is that statement true? That is not always true. See, arbitrary जब वो कहता है, तो that is supposed to be true for any and every entry. So a being a natural number, it should always happen, natural numbers operation with itself should always give you the same entry. Okay, और ये ऑपरेशन कोई भी हो सकता है. फॉर एन आर्बिट्ररी बाइनरी ऑपरेशन, तो कोई भी बाइनरी ऑपरेशन हो सकता है. तो कोई भी मीन्स हर कोई. तो क्या हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि नेचुरल नंबर का कोई भी ऑपरेशन उसके साथ खुद के साथ किया जाए तो द आंसर कम्स आउट टू बी द एंट्री इटसेल्फ? डजंट हैपन, राइट? वी कैन मेक दैट क्लियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. लाइक if I am applying taking operation as addition of natural number is any operation. So if I consider 3 plus 3, that gives me 6, not 3. तो इसने क्या बोला था कि a star a should give you a only, right? तो ये यहाँ पे हमने एक false result दिखा दिया है. अगर if you are still not satisfied, otherwise ये quite obvious है कि ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा किसी भी नेचुरल नंबर का अपने साथ कोई भी ऑपरेशन करो तो वो आंसर अपने आप जो नंबर है वो ही आए. दैट डजंट हैपन. ओके, so that was a false statement. Next is if there is a commutative binary operation on n, then a star b star c will be same as c star b star a. That's true, children. That you can easily check. Okay, this statement. बिकॉज ए स्टार बी स्टार सी वो कम्यूटेटिव था तो आप बी स्टार सी को क्या लिख सकते हो, सी स्टार बी. फिर कम्यूटेटिव था तो ये वाली एंट्री पहले आ सकती है और ये बाद में जा सकती है. ओके, तो पहले इसमें कम्यूटेटिव लगा तो सी स्टार बी बन गया, फिर इसमें कम्यूटेटिविटी लगी तो सी स्टार बी पहले आ गया एंड ए बाद में चला गया. So this is very much true. Now consider binary operation on natural numbers such that a star b is a cube plus b cube. Then you have to tell what kind of operation this is. So a cube plus b cube is same as b cube plus a cube for natural numbers. Sorry, okay, this way. This is your, so a cube plus b cube is same as b cube plus a cube. So a star b is equal to b star a means commutative है. Associative ये बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. You all can check it. So this is B will be your right option. It is commutative but it is not associative. Square वाला ही नहीं आया था हमारा associative if you remember. तो फिर cube भी कैसे आएगा? Okay. So that is it. The exercise is done. It was easy also. And after this then you please read through miscellaneous examples also.